As a community activist and an educational leader, I really do recommend the Sky Leadership course. For me, and I've had a lot of different experiences with leadership development and tools for seeking peace within. And this really took my practice to the next level, as well as provided really an empowering and compassionate and authentic leadership view. And I just love how it came together with other leaders and other actionable community members. Got to hear their stories, got to also connect with my teammate who joined the training, and we all left with a sense of connectedness with each other that went far beyond the initial training time, but it continues yet today. So if you're a seeker and you're looking to raise your leadership capacity, to deepen your sense of purpose and your vision, as well as to deepen your practices like breath work and meditation, please, please, please join for the next Sky Mindful Leadership course.